Y'all, we about to make some brownies real quick. Then already delicious. Now time for something sweet. I'm gonna throw my liquids in first before I throw my dry. You do it how you wanna. That's how I want. Put my egg in. Boom. Dry my hands up a bit. Next, put my chewy fudge brownie mix. I don't think I had by Dunkin' Hines. I don't think I had this one before. But we're gonna put it up in there. We're gonna make it this.
Zay's in the blinds.
Zay, get out the blinds. I said, go out and get some scissors, because I'll be gonna bust this thing and be flying all over the place. Sorry. Alright, I'm back. Back to rescue the baby. Now I'm gonna put my brownie mix in. Right, so. The kids want it, but they don't want to help. Oh, that's not. You ready for the brownie, buddy? All right. One half cup of oil. Like olive oil. Gotta have some veggie oil, but sometimes you gotta go with what you're gonna go with. Alright. I'm gonna put a drip in this because I'm gonna smooth that around my pan in a minute. What's up? Wanna come stir?
Yeah.
Next, I'm gonna get this thing 3 tablespoons of great value water. You say you want to come stir. Now you don't want to come stir. What do you want the end result? The brownie. How many you got kids like that? You want to come stir? I asked you, do you want to come stir? Now you say you don't want to come stir. Very good. Chef Darian is stirring. Just do it.
Stir it.
Get off the sides.
Get off the sides.
Easy, don't spill it.
They got office.
Zane. Zane. I'm pulling it, Zane. Looking good there. Start get off the walls. Straight the sides.
Okay.
Good job, buddy. Put your face on it. Looking good. Smelling good, Chef Darren. Smelling good, looking good. Outstanding job, buddy. What you doing, Zay? Look at that. You got a little bit more right there on the side. Stir, stir.
That don't lick it.
Don't lick it, not yet. You got some more back there. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Chef Darren. He's doing an outstanding job. Let him know how outstanding he's doing. All positive feedback, please. Say positive feedback.
Positive feedback.
Positive feedback.
Positive feedback.
Positive.
Positive.
Outstanding, Darren. So I'm gonna spread the olive oil around. See olive oil in there?
Yeah.
I'm gonna spread it around with a tissue like that. Look. So it won't stick. Stir. He's ready to taste already, y'all. Got a little bit more, then we finish.
Okay.
Stir, 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 stir. Stir the brownie, stir the brownie, so the good cook. Stir the brownie, stir the brownie, so it good cook. Say what you do. There it is. As soon as I turn my back, you try to round the brownie. Stir the brownie. Wait, got on your finger? Let me see how it looking. Looking real good. Stir the brownie. Say, stir the brownie. Stir the brownie. So it cook. Say, you want to say something? You're looking good, buddy. All right. Let's try to get it into the baking dish. And then double check. We're gonna put it in the baking dish. Very nice and thick, buddy.
Good.
Flip it in there. Flip it in there. Flip it in there. Flip it. Get it in there. You see that look? Easy.
Did that help?
Yeah. You did an outstanding job, buddy. Look good. That's enough. One more. Get that scoop right up. Good job, buddy. Alright. Look good? Okay. Let's get the oven warming. Then turn the oven on. Put it right down.
Yep. Hey! No.
Alright, get your piece out.
Me? I ain't gonna eat that big piece.
Get a fork.
It's hot.
Hot there? It's hot?
Yeah.
What it taste?
Good.
Good job on the brownie, buddy. So now you have it, you guys. The brownie came out well. So I give Zane some brownie. So, how it taste?
Good.
Mmm.
It's hot. Hot.
Yeah. Awesome job, buddy. High five to the daddy. Boom! Alright, thank you guys for stopping in. We'll check out on the next video. Toodaloo.